Welcome to New Vision International School virtual class. Today, we will have another lesson for reading. Please prepare the following materials: your reading booklet, reading street, reader's and writer's notebook, and your pencil. Before we begin our lesson, let's identify first what kind of animal is this. What kind of animal is this? Yes, this is a whale. Where can you find this animal? In the ocean. Good job. And these are the learning objectives of this lesson. The first one, familiarize and understand the story elements of the selection. Determine the meaning of unfamiliar words. Read and comprehend informational text from the selection. The title of our lesson for today is A Symphony of Whales by Steve Scutch. Illustrated by Wendell Miner. Question of the week: how can people help animals in danger? And this story is on page 476 to 491 of your reading street. Let's take a look at this video to know more about the lesson. That is the sound that these animals produce. It is also known as the Symphony of Whales. Let's proceed to the story elements. Scan the cover page of your new selection on your reading street, page 476 to 477. You are going to use this as a guide in answering the story elements on your reading booklet on page 28. Let's answer the story elements. What is the title of our selection for this week? A Symphony of Whales. Who was the author? Steve Scutch. What is the genre? Fiction. Setting? Wintertime. And the place is at Glasgow Village. Who are the main characters? Glashka and Norna. Who are the secondary characters? Villagers and icebreakers. What is the author's purpose in writing this story? To persuade the readers to help others. The meaning of persuade is to convince, okay? To convince the readers to help others. Don't forget to pause the video while writing your answers. Let's proceed to the meaning of a fiction. When we say fiction, it sometimes tells a story based on events that really did happen. While reading the selection, we're going to look for parts you think that are true. Are you ready? Let's study the vocabulary words. The first one is anxiously. Anxiously means nervously. The next one is bay. A bay is a part of sea or lake partly surrounded by land. The next one is blizzards. Blizzards are heavy snowstorms with very strong winds, like this picture. The next one is channel. A channel is a body of water joining two larger bodies of water, like this. The next one is chip. When we say chipped, it is cut or broken off small pieces of something, like this rock. We also have here melody. A melody is a tune or easily remembered series of musical notes, like the songs. The next one is supplies. Supplies are quantities of something needed, like for example, this picture. Same with your school supplies. Those are the things that you need. The next one is surrounded. This dog is surrounded by the other dogs. What does it mean? It means it is encircled or enclosed. The next one is symphony. Symphony is a long, complicated musical composition for an orchestra. What is the difference between melody and a symphony? The melody is easier to remember than the symphony because symphony is complicated. Now, go to page 214 of your Readers and Writers Notebook and we will answer the activity together. Let's read first the vocabulary words. The first one is surrounded. Repeat after me. Surrounded. The next one is bay. Again, bay. The next one is supplies. Can you repeat the word? Supplies. The next one is chipped. Again, chipped. The next one is symphony. Can you read this word again? Symphony. Great. The next one is channel. How do you pronounce this word? Channel. The next one is blizzards. Again, very good. The next one is anxiously. Can you repeat the word? Anxiously. And the last one is melody. Repeat the word. Melody. Very good. Okay, let's try to answer first question number 1. This winter was very snowy. We had 4 blank in December alone. We had 4 blizzards. The next one is the bird sang a beautiful tune. The blank was sweet and sad. The sound of a bird is an example of a melody. The next one, the children gathered all around the teacher. She was blank by her class. The teacher is in the middle. It means she was blank by her class. What is the answer? Surrounded. Number 4. She was worried about her grade on the test. She waited blank as the tests were handed back. She felt anxiously. And the last one is, the water flowed along a narrow stream. The stream was a blank that carried the water to the sea. That is a channel. Let's continue. Direction. In each sentence below, 2 words are underlined. Circle the word that makes sense. Use context clues in the sentence to help you choose the correct word. So you have here 2 underlined words. What you're going to do is, you're going to choose the best one. Number 6. The ship sailed into the large bay or blizzards that is near our town. Into the large bay. Number 7. Before we went on the hike, I put a big bay or supply of water in my backpack. Can you put a big bay in your backpack? No. So the answer is supply. Let's proceed to number 8. Dan surrounded, chipped at the wood with a small axe. If you have a small axe, what will happen to the wood? surrounded, or tripped? Okay, the answer is tripped. Number 9. We heard many musical instruments playing a beautiful blank together. A lot of musical instrument. So it will play a beautiful symphony. Number 10. I heard a song on the radio. I've been humming the symphony melody all day. This is a tune that you can easily remember. That is melody. Don't forget to copy the answers. Good job, kids! Attention, please. Don't forget to watch the link attached to the description of this video. It is also attached in your Pearson account. This is the video of the selection. And for your homework, don't forget to read the selection on pages 476 to 491 on your reading street. Again, what is the title of the new selection? A Symphony of Wales. Enjoy reading. That's all for today. Have a great day. Thank you.